I've had this RST Podium Airbag one-piece leather suit for just over 2 years now. And I've never really spoken about it on the channel, never done any videos about it. I did recently talk about the In&motion collaboration with RST and their airbag subscription-based system. So there's going to be a link to that video there. As such, I've decided to pull my phone out, show you the suit and show you the airbag itself and the inflation system and its little computer, and of course talk through some of the main features of the suit. If you're interested, I can give you a price. They are 420 quid on Sports Bike Shop at the moment. I think similar elsewhere. That's just the website I had open, and I think RST have now changed the name to the S1 men's leather suit with a few more colour options. Mine's pure black, which to tell you the truth I think is a little bit too black.
Much more black could this be?
And as such I've added some colour myself, but we shall see that coming up soon. So if we could have a look down at the actual airbag system itself, as you can see here, what we do, open it up here, then we will take the computer here, and it turns on here. Got a bit fiddly getting in there, got that there, and then what's to be done, you unzip here, undo, and then kind of bring it round like that, and you've got this thing here, this kind of insert slot, and that goes in and then clicks across as such. It's gone to green, which means we are good. And then to remove it, there's a little thing up here, do as such and as such. There you go. Now having a look at the actual suit itself. So this is obviously, the Podium is the road-based one, so it hasn't got the snazzy elbow down pads there, or the sliders there. It's ventilated, but of course some of that ventilation is covered by the inside airbag itself, which of course goes all around there. So it literally inflates all around your body. You've got a zip and then closes there. Once again road based, as I said, nothing there. Shoulder protection in the back, as I said, ventilated. There's a soft there. If we bring up the legs, knee sliders. About the only use my elite knee sliders get are to protect me when I'm putting me locks on the bike, but it's completely padded inside with good grade protection. Zips up there and there. Put it on its back. You have your hump with my Go Fast stripes on there. I've got another 7 brake horsepower from putting those on there. RST In&motion airbag. Nice little bit of bum protection there. Nicely elasticated at the back here, lovely. And your zip on the arms, same thing there. You've got a zip there. So yep. And once again, needed to go a bit faster, so put the stripes on there. Mainly because I thought it was a little bit too black. I was like the Night Rider.
The Night Rider.
So just a dash of colour, and I used of course a leather painted system for that. Now, if you were to have an activation and needed to change the inflator, which you order off of the website, of course you open this, just as we did before, and there's another zip that undoes there. And, oops, let's get down a bit further. There's the connector. This just pops out, and then what you do is that you unscrew it, let any air out, and then with a normal pump, bicycle pump or car inflator, tire inflator, you attach that, you pump it up again, and you wait to see if you've got any leaks, if there's any damage during the activation. It should hold for at least 15 seconds with no air loss at all. If that's good, you then deflate it completely, make sure you've completely emptied, of course, every bit of air out of there. And you plug in the new inflator connector. Be careful when you open this because it's connected. You could easily snap it if you ripped it apart like that. And pop it back in, turn your unit back on, make sure it's detected it, and you're ready to fall off again. And this is the actual reason why I have so many white hairs on my suit. Black suit, white cat. Hey, this is Julieta. And that's her dad.
So I guess I'm going to close out the video, you know, the close look at my RST Podium one-piece leather suit that I've now had for 2 years. And what can I say? The peace of mind of having the airbag is amazing. I'm a little bit miffed at RST that the replacement for the Podium is no longer airbag, and you have to now go for the Pro Series, which is like 900 quid. But you just pop online Podium and they're everywhere still, and if you go onto the In&motion website you can buy the suit directly from them, so it is still available. And I think in that case probably one of the best value airbag suits absolutely on the market, which is maybe why they did away with it. Now the fit and the comfort wise, it's brilliant. When you're on it, it is just, it's like a second skin. It's heavy with all the equipment in there. When you pick it up you think, oh my god, but you don't feel it, and well, unless you're walking around a lot. With this bike sitting upright, absolutely fine. I do tend to feel it pulling on my shoulders a bit, which is causing my neck issues on the Fireblade. This is a long reach, and I think it's just like possibly very slightly snug then in that case, but I'm sure the more I use that bike, the more this will slightly give. But talking of give, after, like I said, 2 years, it's not become baggy, enlarged. The fit is still glorious. It's still tight, still shows off my wonderful man belly. And yeah, so do I recommend this suit? I absolutely recommend this this suit. Like I said, you can still find them. And with that, thanks for watching the video, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.
'Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride.